Dow Jones has hit the record levels in the year 2024, breaching past 45,000 levels here. Now, what to expect from the year 2025? Can we expect this bull run to continue, or there is a possibility of a reversal? Though, when you see Dow Jones compared to Tech 100, the yield in the year 2024 is almost half year. Yes, it has started at around 37,000, it is now trading at 43, delivering close to 20% yield here. But it also increases the possibility. If you look at the move, what has happened in US30 here, then a greater correction, another bull run, then a correction, and this is the next bull run here. So this is the third wave here, which could trigger a possible reversal here, which could trigger a possible reversal in US30. Now, when you see US30, I will say you have to take, this was the first major retrace, and since then it is traded in this bullish channel. So can we expect it to move towards the bottom of the channel, that is towards 38,000 levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators here what to expect from US30 in the year 2025, and this is a long term review. We will also try to see what to expect in the month of January and in the coming week as well. And this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with precise levels for Dow Jones. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, as you already started on the monthly charts, remember this is the support which definitely I'll be watchful of. If it starts to retrace, first thing is I would love to see Dow Jones trading below 41,800 level. This is going to be the first massive and strongest support here, below which you can expect that in the month of January we can see US30 heading towards 40,000 levels, the first target, and the 38,000 levels, the strongest one in Q1 2025. And 38,000 is going to be the critical milestone at which you can say it will decide whether to crash massively or to bounce back. Right now, I will still say largely it is trading in this bullish channel. The more time it spends on the upside, the higher the support levels are going to be in this channel. That is the first part. Now, when you see the near term lows and the highs after this major retracement, you can find out it is very likely that US30 may at least retrace 76.4 retracement, that is 41,200, then 61.8, that is 38,800 levels, and then I will be looking forward towards 50% retracement, that is 36,900, 37,000 zone. So these levels are very likely possible that US30 may try to see before it tries to reverse, and thus year 2025 is going to be one important milestone for US. Yes, 50% retracement towards 50% is very much possible. So on the Fibonacci levels, yes, this is likely that US30 might try to start reversing. However, I will still not say that it is completely turned bearish as long as it now trades above 40,000 levels. When you see the MACD here, before we look at the MACD, see moving averages on the monthly charts, it is trading with divergence. The more the divergence, the stronger the retracement. See, now it has taken the support from the 20 period, then it has shown another bull run. So it is time for it to move towards the bottom of the channel and towards the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 39,200 and 38,000 levels. So these levels are very, very, very crucial for US in the year 2025. When you look at the monthly stock, I think this is also extremely overbought. What has happened here? What has happened here? Here. Now, whenever it hits such highs, it tries to retrace, and this is now on the path of retracement. This time, possibility exists that it can in fact enter into oversold zone. Why so? Look at the MACD. And if you recall what I have shared in the beginning of 2024, I have mentioned very clearly that US30 has bottomed, and if you look at the history for the last 15 years, you will find first, second, third, and every time it has hit the bottom, it has achieved higher highs. Now, if you connect higher highs, this indicates that US30 appears to be have more room on the upside. But when you look at the chart, see too much of divergence calls for it to converge here. And even if it tries to rise, the Q1 2025 is going to be extremely important here, which may begin the reversal process here. What has happened here? What has happened here may get replicated. Let's also look at the week. This will give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect in the coming week. Now, notice this. See, every time since here US30 has diverged from the 20 period, it has always converged towards 20 period, and every time it has taken the support from the 20 period, it always have delivered a bigger move. So now coming week is very crucial here. Which direction it breaks is going to define the future of US30. Any drop below 42,041,800 levels is a clear sign that you are looking forward to 41,200 and 40,000 levels in the near future, possibly in the next few weeks. But right now, what I can see here is the support it is taken from the 20 period, three bearish candles. It can possibly bounce back here, and thus at the current levels, you have to be extremely careful. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped sharp from the overbought zone, though the prices have just seen a little retracement. And if you notice the MACD, this is very important. MACD has seen a high. This is the first wave, then retracement, second wave, now retracement. It has just crossed over. It has just crossed over. Two candles away. It is possible that it may trade with such divergence, can move towards bottom. And if it trades with such divergence for the next few weeks, possibly we may see US30 trading below 40,000 levels, and in fact 38,000, 37,000 levels very soon. Yes, it is at extremes. What has happened post COVID? It has retraced, it has moved towards highs, and these are the highs from where we have seen the MACD reversing. It can replicate here again. So this is something you should watch out for. RSI has dropped sharp. Coming to on the daily charts, notice for the last 3 to 4 times it has always taken a support here. This time, in fact, it has breached the 100 period moving average and now trying to bounce back. Also notice this time that the moving averages have crossed over. This is a very important observation as this is happening after long time. And now we know that 43,500 and 44,000 is going to be the most critical zone for US30 for any up move. It has to break past this. The next observation, what you can see on the daily chart, the drop, the retracement, and now if you see trading below 42,600 and 42,400 levels, stay short for 42,000 and in fact 42,000. If it breaks, we can look forward to 41,600, 41,000 and 40,000 levels very soon. But yes, there is a bit of resistance here. Prices have retraced, prices have closed close to 43,000 levels, and at these levels, you should be a bit careful. Stochastic overbought. While the MACD, if you look at the daily charts, it has hit the bottom after a greater rise. It is trying to convert. It is not that it cannot hit the lows, but yes, this is the point from where US30 tries to reverse. And this time, if it breaks below this zone close to minus 400, you can say the bears are back in action. Else, I do expect a little retracement on the upside. RSI is rising here as well. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the time for me to give you the trading levels and a strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and a strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 43,020 levels in the coming week. Now, see the nearest levels are for coming week and the month of January. And as we go farther from the levels, it will get applied and the range will get broader for the year 2025. So for yes, 43,020 you can buy, expect 43,110, 43,185. If this is taken, chances will be high that we may look forward to 43,400, 43,750. And if this is also taken, stay bullish for 44k, Beyond 44K, if it trades, stay bullish for 44,800 levels directly. Any move beyond 44,800 is a very good sign that the preceding highs might be leveled up, or these can be breached as well. So once it trades beyond 44,800, expect 45,080, and if 45,080 is taken, stay bullish for 45,500, 45, 910, and then 46,200 levels. Beyond 46,200 in the year 2025, there will be a very strong possibility that 48,000 levels will be seen, and if this is taken, then 50,000 levels will arrive here. Remember, if US30 closes the year at close to 43,000, from 43,000 to 50,000, the journey is of 7,000 points, and this relates to close to 16% yield in a year. It is not that it cannot do such thing, it cannot achieve such levels, but I will say there are greater hurdles available on the upside. Thus, you should be extremely cautious. Even if it tries to rise, I will say 46,200, 48,000 should be a greatest resistance here on the upside, and prices can in fact fall from these levels as well. While on the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 42,910. Expect 42,800, very good support, 800 750 zone. If this is taken, then you can stay short for 42,660. Below that, 42,500, 42,355. If this is taken, stay short for 42,200, then 42,000, and below 42,000 this time, I think we are looking forward to 41,200 levels directly, and below this 40,000. Now, once 40,000 is taken, stay short for 38,000, 37,400. And if 37,400 is taken, stay short for 36,300 and 35,000 levels here. Below 35 is where the bears are awaited. You can look forward to 30K as the next target. It appears that there is something wrong if you see US30 at 30K. But remember, we did not question when it was rising, so we should not be amused when it is going to crash. Situations can change in a day, in a month, in a year, and the year 2025 could be one of the years here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Also, I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous year 2025, a very happy, prosperous and profitable the January 2025 and the coming week. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a prosperous new year. Have a good day and a happy weekend.